officers.
Very well. Now, were you present at the November 23, 2024 press con?
I was not present.
You were not
I was
present.
not participating on that.
And if you know, was any NBI agent present at the November 23, 2024 press con?
Not that I know of.
None. All right. So in layman's terms, for the benefit of this honorable court and the Filipino people watching, and I'll phrase my question in Tagalog. So sa kabila po ng pagtestigo po ninyo ngayong araw, inaamin nyo ba na wala kayong personal na kaalaman sa nangyaring investigation starting November 23, 2024?
Malinaw naman po yun. At ang korte po, I can take judicial notice of the fact na hindi pa po ako NBI director ng panahon na yun.
So you're
wala kang
confirming
alam.
that you do not have personal knowledge because you were only
Ayop yan.
appointed as NBA director a year later or on February 20,
bakit ka nandyan?
2026,
Answered
correct?
question.
Shut up! Sagot na sagot tong prosecution eh. Grabe, no? Wala siyang alam pero nagwi-witness siya. Anak ka ng wedding.
I haven't even asked that question, Ron.
Kindly let counsel finish.
So again, I will repeat. So the reason for this is that because you became NBI director only a year later or on February 20, 2026, correct?
Tama po.
Alright. Okay. So prior to February 20, 2026, you do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita mga pangyayari.
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29 years.
29 years. Can you recall Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you.
Tawa-tawa ka pa, pahiya ka naman, animal ka. Are you a lawyer? Oo. Tignan mo ha, proud pa siya. How many years? Oh. Tignan mo ha, how many years ka lawyer? Oh, eto sagot niya, ulitin natin.
People watching, and I'll phrase my question in Tagalog. So sa kabila po ng pagtestigo po ninyo ngayong araw, inaamin nyo ba na wala kayong personal na kaalaman sa nangyaring
Wala.
investigation starting November 23, 2024?
Malinaw naman po yun. At ang korte po, I can take judicial notice of the fact na hindi pa po ako NBI director ng panahon na yun.
So you're confirming that you do not have personal knowledge because you were only appointed as NBA director a year later or on February 20,
Your Honor, ask and
2026,
answered
correct?
question.
I haven't even asked that question, Ron.
Kindly let counsel finish.
Hindi nga tinatanong pa eh.
So again, I will repeat. So the reason for this is that because you became NBI director only a year later or on February 20, 2026, correct?
Tama po.
Alright. Okay. So prior to February 20, 2026, you do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita mga pangyayari.
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Wala ka pa eh. Nababasa mo lang eh. Ako din nabasa ko. Pwede ko bang sabihin na ako'y witness na? Bakit ko nasabi yan? Kasi may batas eh. May batas. Ito na yung sinasite niyang batas. If you do not have personal knowledge, therefore you should not be a witness.
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29
Ayan, yan na. Pagyayabang niya pa.
years.
29 years. Can you recall
29
Rule
years.
130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence, and I'll read it. Please read with me, direct.
Kala niya nakalamang siya. Ganito kahina ang utak ni Matibag dahil sa sobrang yabang niya. Sa sobrang yabang niya, akala niya nakalamang siya na, 29. Nung tinanong siya nung rules, can you refresh me? Ikaw may hawak niyan eh. Eto ngayon, yung rule na yon, Section 22.
Mr. Matibag. Testimony confined to personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Can you recall that rule now?
Ayan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay, you
Tama
can
po.
read.
Bakit? Ang galing ng abogado eh. Bakit? Sabi niya, may personal knowledge ka ba dito sa mga affidavit? May personal knowledge ka ba dito sa interview? Lahat wala. Sagot niya lahat wala ah. Akala niya, hindi naman kasi ako director nun. Hindi naman niya pwede kasi sabihin, oo, may personal knowledge ako kasi director na ako. Hindi nga siya director nun. So wala kang personal knowledge dyan. Are you a lawyer? Oo, 29 years ako lawyer ah. Oh, magaling ako. Do you know this article? Nandyan na sa harap mo, pakibasa na lang. Ikaw na lang magbasa. Nandyan oh. A witness, ayan oh. Ay, lalakihan natin, hindi ko rin mabasa eh. Oh, buti pa, oh, yan. A witness can testify, ano daw? Only. When you say only. Only you. Di ba pag sinabi mong only, kunwari, tinanong ka ng asawa mo, do you love me? Of course I love you. Only me? Of course only you. Pag sinabi mong only you, pwede ka ba magkaroon ng kabit? Pwede ka ba magkaroon ng iba pang mahal? Di ba only, ibig sabihin, ikaw lang? Wala nang iba? Ikaw lang. Pagka ikaw nanumpa, mamahalin kita. Only you and nothing but you. Pwede ka magkaroon ng side chick? Ha? Pwede ba? At magmahal ka ng iba? Hindi. Kasi nga only you. Di ba? Ayan. Ano sabi dito? A witness can testify only. Yun lang. To those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge. That is which are derived from her own perception. Dapat dito, after nito, sinabi niyo na, since you said you do not have personal knowledge, go down to your seat. Get the fuck out of here. Ganun sana sinabi mo, defense lawyer. Hindi kasi tama naman, lahat wala siyang alam. Wala siyang personal knowledge dun sa mga pangyayari. Tama naman din kasi, wala naman talaga siyang alam dahil siya ay hindi pa po director noon. So, hindi mo alam ang buong konteksto. During the investigation, hindi ikaw ang director. So, wala kang alam. Tapos ngayon, magte-testify ka? Hindi pwede yun.
Alright, so based on this rule, will you agree with me that a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge?
Your Honor, may I comment to that?
These are basic questions, Your Honor. The witness is a lawyer. He is competent enough to answer.
Counsel, are you making an objection?
This is a comment, Your Honor. The witness
ano ba
repeatedly
talaga comment,
testified that he was appointed only in February 2026 and that all his testimonies pertaining to the first investigation are based on records, Your Honor. And this is allowed. As a matter of fact, under the rules, entries in official records are considered as prima facie evidence of the contents thereof. And thus, it's exactly the basis of the witness in answering the question of the defense. All his knowledge pertaining to the first investigation are based on records.
Short rejoinder, Your Honor.
No need, counsel. Distinguished lead prosecutor, the counsel for respondent did not object to the line of questioning of the lead prosecutor earlier, based exactly on the ground cited by the lead prosecutor. The presiding officer will give sufficient leeway to the counsel for respondent to establish his point. I think you also see what he is trying to establish. That's why he made a continuing objection in relation to it. I'll give you some leeway, counsel, but go to your next topic as soon as you're done with this.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, again, based on this rule, a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge, correct?
Tama po, pero meron pong mga exceptions sa rule
Alright,
yan.
okay. If not based on personal knowledge, then that is hearsay, correct?
But it's not an absolute rule po dahil may exceptions nga po.
Okay, now, I'm trying to look for the Filipino term for hearsay. Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation? What is a fair translation to you of hearsay?
Talagang dinikdik pa nitong abogado. Ano ba Tagalog ng hearsay? Chismis o sabi-sabi? Grabe, durog na durog dito si Matibag.
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading. He never testified that that is hearsay.
No, I'm not
As a
asking
matter
him-
of fact, he's trying to raise the exception to hearsay.
I'm not asking about the exceptions of hearsay. I'm asking
Ano
a
ba?
translation of hearsay.
May we know-
Anyway, I'll move on to...
If the witness
If the
knows, if he does not know, he may say so.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
Okay, so I'll just use my own translation, chismis. Anyway, at any rate, kung wala kang personal knowledge,
Kawawa naman si Matibag, oo. Ano pahiya na siya dyan Sabi ko, shit, dapat di ko sinagot yun. Hindi naman pwede, di ba? Kailangan niya sagutin. So, pahiya siya.
chismis lang yun, tama?
Hindi ko naman po naririnig sa korte. Ako'y nag-practice din, kahit na-translate sa Tagalog. Kahit minsan ko po, hindi ko po narinig ng hearsay ginamit ang salitang chismis.
Alright, I'll move on. Now, the main material that the NBI used in its investigation was the video of the November 23, 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Did you watch that whole video yourself?
Napanood ko po.
The whole video?
Well, yung pong importanteng bagay dyan ang aking tinutukan pero napanood ko po.
Alright. Now, let me ask you, do you confirm that in that virtual press con, VP Sara spoke about a lot of topics?
Tama po.
Alright, I'll show you a portion of that video and then I'll ask questions thereafter. Now, Your Honor, we beg the indulgence of this honorable court. Again, this video is a little lengthy, but we will only show one video, Your Honor.
Counsel may proceed.
At nakain ninyo buffet yan sa House of Representatives. Alak at
Grabe naman yan. Sino ba yung maingay na yan? Parang zombie. Grabe yung ingay mo, Matibag, ha? Paano kayo pag natulog to, no?
Yan. Yung taong bayan na pinamisan ninyo, 20 pesos rice. Yung taong bayan na hindi ninyo pinupuntahan sa mga komunidad nila, ano sabi nila? Ganyan, ang bayan natin.
Nakatulog na ba? Nakatulog na ba si Matibag? Grabing hilik yan, ha?
Okay na lang kami sa asin. Sa kung ka nakahanap, bayan, na ang tao, because of their hopelessness, because there is no functioning corporate, okay na lang sa asin. Anong abogado
Grabe.
si Rene Lopez eh. Kasi alam niya kung ano sasabihin niya doon sa mga
Your Honor, it appears that we're having technical difficulties. Can we just
Yes,
replay that part, Your Honor?
Nakawin yung cellphone. Sabihin mo,
Your Honor, may I make a manifestation first?
Can the tech kindly pause and rewind a bit with respect to the portion? Just a bit.
Your Honor, this is part of the question, Your Honor. Can we ask that the manifestation be made after the playing of this video and the asking of the appropriate question?
Your Honor, the manifestation concerns the very video that they are presenting.
We're already playing it, lead counsel. We will recognize you after the video is played. Kindly proceed with the playing of the video.
pa ng cellphone. Saan ka nakahanap? Papasok ka, nanakawin mo yung cellphone, dadalhin mo pa yung tao. Diba? Princess, you're raising your hand.
Hello? Narinig po ba ako, Princess Maui?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Good morning po, Madam Vice President. Thank you so much nga po pala sa dala niyong hopya nung hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi pumalak pa kami because of Congresswoman Cardema. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po ay natatakot kumain ng pagkain ng baka mamaya. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po kami para-
ma'am, kasi sila naman sila talaga yung bastos eh. You read what you
Okay.
talk.
Yeah. Mag-ingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga naririnig namin, o yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balak in the future. So mag-ingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday 2, kami yung bumago pa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kung remedy naman yung mga nasa posisyon o ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito? Lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power.
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Ito sa kanya, pag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil ha. Hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes. So, alam mo, ma'am, yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kabayan lang. Ang laban, wala dyan sa EDSA, ma'am. Wala dyan sa mga highway. Ang laban, ma'am, nandun sa loob ng palasyo. Yan ang problema.
Grabe, lakas ng
We
gilig, ha?
appreciate yung expression ninyo ng disgust, ng pagkamuhi, ng hopelessness, kasi it reflects kung ano yung nararamdaman ng marami, milyon. Alam ko yan, ma'am, kasi kahit saan ako pumunta, ako ang binoto namin yan dahil sinabi mo, iboto namin. So, yes, ma'am. Maraming salamat sa ginagawa ninyo. Dahil sa ginagawa ninyo, I'm sure nakikita yan ng taong bayan. Ina-appreciate nila yan. Marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gusto sumali sa inyo. Pero sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi nila maiwanan yung mga trabaho nila at hanap buhay nila para pumunta sa daan. Bakit sila naghihirap? Bakit? Dahil sa gobyerno. Hindi ba dapat yung gobyerno natin ang nagpapagaan ng buhay ng tao? Bakit ang gobyerno natin ang nagpapahirap lalo sa tao? Kasi gusto ba nila lagi na lang mahirap ang mga tao para madali mapasunod? May mga lugar kami sa Mindanao na ganyan ang mga politiko. Gusto nila mahirap lahat. Diba? Hugan lang nila ang kwarta. Governor na sila, mayor na sila, congressman na sila. Hanapin niyo, ma'am, yung mga lugar na sobrang hirap sa Mindanao. Tingnan niyo anong gawain ng politiko. Pinapakain lang ng pera ng tao. Pinabastos yung kanilang pagkatao. Dahil wala silang pakialam.
Alright. For the benefit of this court, that is timestamp 1-12, 1:12:43 onwards of the video recording with accompanying transcript.
With the
This is
permission of
exhibit-
the counsel for respondent, the lead prosecutor is recognized for her manifestation.
Your Honor, I wish to manifest that the video which was played is unmarked and spliced video, Your Honor.
Pero pag sila nag-play, ano? Gago talaga eh. Pag sila nag-play, okay lang. Pero pagka ito i-object, yung play na yan, galing din naman sa inyo sa USB yan.
This is for the record.
The counsel for respondent just mentioned the timestamp and the marking as well. Counsel for the respondent may proceed.
Alright. Now, Director
Kaya ka
Matibag,
na
these
naman.
are my questions about the statements of VP Sara in that video. Do you have personal knowledge of the theft incident involving Attorney Lopez's cell phone?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the buffet in the House of Representatives?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the communities na asin lang ang kinakain?
Wala po.
Alright. Do you have personal knowledge on the person whom VP Sara talked to regarding BBM, FL, and the former speaker?
Wala po dahil
Wala.
siya nakipag-usap.
Alright. Okay.
Wala naman pala lahat eh.
Thank you for that. So, now, you mentioned that you watched the whole video. My question to you is, did the NBI conduct any separate investigation regarding the various acts of corruption alleged acts of corruption of BBM, FL, the former speaker, and the congressman as mentioned by VP Sara?
Marami pong iniulat sa akin na mag-investigasyon, subalit hindi naman po kasi binanggit doon sa video sino ang mga particular na kailangang imbestigahan. Kaya naman po yung investigasyon na ginagawa ngayon ng NBI, maaaring tumutukoy na po sa mga taong binabanggit po.
Right, but as NBI director now, you have the authority to investigate alleged cases of corruption, correct?
Tama po yun.
Alright. In fact, you came out in the news recently stating that you will investigate the 2019 SEA Games, correct?
Tama po.
Alright. And the 2019 SEA Games came prior to this 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Okay. Do you intend, my next question is this, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the unaudited confidential funds of the OP, Office of the President, also mentioned by VP Sara?
Kung meron po mga ebidensyang ilalatag sa amin para amin pong sundan, hindi po magdadalawang isip ang NBI sapagkat ito po ang mandato ng NBI.
Alright, thank you for-
Mag-imbestigahan ng mga krimen po, amin pong nakikita.
Alright, thank you for that answer. Now, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the former speaker going around the country and giving government funds to people, also mentioned by VP Sara in that video?
Your Honor, may I comment, Your Honor?
What is the comment of the lead prosecutor?
We are objecting to that question, Your Honor, as the same is misleading.
Your Honor, if he knows, he said he watched the whole video, he listened to the statements. There was a statement there.
Witness may answer, if he knows.
Well, kung meron po mga ebidensyang pumapasok, tulad ng lahat ng aming ginagawa, we are driven by evidence and the process and the law na dapat pong sundin.
Alright. Now, my next question is, your wife is also a member of the House of Representatives.
Nako,
that
patay
is
ka
correct,
dyan.
And she is Representative Maria.
Your Honor, with all due respect.
This is cross, Your Honor. Maybe given leeway,
allow-
Your Honor.
Shut up! Daldal ng daldal to sila.
Allow the counsel to finish the question and then you may make your objection afterwards. Finish your question, counsel, for the respondent.
She is